Protesters in Albany today fighting for what they call due process as part of the deportations we have been seeing around the country.
CBS 6's Nick Dabina was there and takes a closer look at what they want and what immigration lawyers are saying about these cases.
Say it loud, say it clear. Immigrants are welcome here.
About 50 people gathered at the Federal Courthouse Wednesday in Albany before marching up Broadway Avenue.
This is criminal, all that's going on, and it's disgusting to see what's happening to our country.
Protesters say recent deportations of undocumented immigrants are violating their right of due process or right to a fair trial. The protest was organized by the group Indivisible ADK.
No justice, no peace.
Some held up signs showing Kilmar Abrego Garcia, the Salvadoran national living in Maryland when he was mistakenly deported to a mega prison in El Salvador. Abrego Garcia entered the U.S. illegally in 2011. He was deported in March after being accused of being a gang member, but was not charged or convicted of a crime. When it comes to undocumented immigrants or folks who initially entered the country illegally, do they have a right to due process under the law?
Okay, so it depends on a few factors.
Immigration attorney Sienna Freeman Tobert says if an undocumented immigrant breaks the law, they do have a right to go to trial. But a law passed in 1996 started allowing expedited removals.
And so if an undocumented individual is in the U.S. and within 2 years they encounter an immigration officer and they cannot prove that they've been physically in the U.S. for 2 years, they do not get to go in front of an immigration judge. That DHS officer can order expedited removal. During the Biden administration, they never used that. Everyone, if they were encountered, they were placed in immigration court. The new Trump administration, they've decided to utilize that provision.
While there are protests in Albany, in Washington, lawmakers are still debating what will happen to Abrego Garcia. In Albany, I'm Nick Dabina, CBS 6.